friend with me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Now click on this clock icon at the top and click on this plus one at the bottom. After that, you need to choose repeat and tap on once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to click on it, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones, and save them by choosing OK. Now tap on this switcher next to vibrate when alarm sounds to enable or disable vibrations. Then click on label and label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. Then tap on OK. Now you can click on ringtone and tap on the best melody for you from here, or choose all ringtones and tap on pre-installed ringtones. Now click on apply next to the best melody for you, choose OK in the pop-up and go back. But you can also tap on this plus icon at the bottom right corner instead, select one of those sources and pick music from your device by tapping on the song, clicking on the check mark and tapping on apply next to it. Now just OK in the pop-up and go back. After that, tap on this check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see I need to choose allow apparently again, and now my alarm was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on the switcher next to it and select one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, you need to hold it. Then tap on delete at the bottom, and if you want to adjust more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, choose settings and manage all of them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!